So this is going to be almost personal reading, all signs collective. So all that you need to know about your person and your connection for the next, let's take 3 days. So yeah, this is going to be your energy. So the outcome might not connect with everyone, but the energy, we could see where things are going between the two of you. Okay. So let's start one card for what's going on with you now. Submit twin flame. Right now with Three of Wands, you guys could have had your back turned away from your partners. You guys are watching in some other direction altogether. Quite recently, you guys could have cut someone out, or you are of that mindset where you feel practically this connection isn't possible. Emotionally, you might still feel connected, but overall, I see you having your back turned. Okay. Top card we have is Six of Pentacles. You felt like the connection was too one-sided for you to even think of something positive. Okay. One more card for what is going on with you now. What is going on with you now? With the Emperor card, you're basically trying to be in control. You're not trying to be vulnerable. You're not trying to show like yourself as weak or someone who was chasing someone. You're wanting to be in your power now. You're wanting to act like it doesn't bother you. To be honest, you're trying to be in control of the whole situation. Okay. One more card. What's coming up for you? What is coming up for you? With the Hanged Man, I still do not see you moving in any sort of direction. I still see you staying where you are, but not really doing much, about the past connection. With Three of Swords, you may feel like the past is done and out. Okay, like you cannot do shit about it, and you're not going to try harder. I see you being in your own power. Some of you might cut the person from your life, and some of you, I believe, are not going to do anything. You're just going to stay where you are, not going to be bothered about fixing it or ending it. You're just going to be showing up as unbothered about the whole thing. Okay, so one card for your person. What are they going through? For your person, we have Seven of Cups in the reverse. Please clarify the Seven of Cups in the reverse, Spirit. Okay, with Four of Wands, I believe your person had choices, to be honest, and they are going to be making a choice very soon, and it's going to be either you or someone else. In terms of how do they feel about you now, in terms of their feelings towards you? I'm getting it positive for you, but let's see. With Page of Wands, yes, for many of you, if they have had choices, I'm sorry, it may not resonate with everyone, but for all those who are lucky enough, you will hear back from your partner that they want to choose you now. Okay, so this might be a total, change and a total shocker, to be honest. But I do feel if they had, say, suppose 3-4 choices, that is very rare, but let's say, then they're going to choose you. They're going to choose to communicate with you and move things forward with you. But is that long term? I can't promise anything, darling. Okay, one card for what are their intentions towards you. What are their intentions towards you? Intentions, they want to speak the truth. They want to start communication. They want to start some sort of forward moment with you. Okay, and that is something that they're looking forward to. In the recent past as well, they have tried to get your attention, it directly, indirectly. Some of them could have like suddenly changed their social media profile, or have got deactivated, or possibly even blocked you so that you chase them or do something that is out of the way. Okay, one more card for what are their plans towards you. What are their plans towards you? One card we have Five of Cups. So they miss you. Overall, their plans towards you could be that they might come off very miserable in front of you, like they their life is a mess, and they do not know what to do, so that you react in a certain way. But their plan towards you is they might come off very much in that sad mindset, so that you feel pity and you accept them with open arms. So please be careful about that. Okay, one more card for how are they going to come forward. Just a second. How are they possibly going to come forward towards you? So we'll make twin flame next couple of days. Okay. With the High Priestess, I still feel like this person might still be in and out. Okay, they might come back for reassurance, but I do not promise you long term, because their energy is still very much, on and off. High Priestess is not someone you could trust in completely. Their plans towards you might be on and off. Like they might come forward, give you some sort of reassurance or get some sort of reassurance, but then they might go silent again. So I can't promise long term, darling. Okay, for the next couple of days, what could you expect? What could you possibly expect? With Five of Wands in the reverse, they might not want to fight with you or create any sort of drama. They might want to compromise a bit. Okay, like how are they coming forward? Like what do they have to offer? With Knight of Cups, they might come off as someone who is still interested in you. They might come off as someone who still wanting to look forward to this connection. Okay, by the end of the next 72 hours, where is this connection going? With Four of Swords, it has the potential of finding the common ground, but I do feel like lots needs to be settled before you guys even consider getting back. Okay, because this person has lots to answer. They have been doing too many things lately that you do not know about, you should know about. So my honest advice to you is, do not accept them back if they do not give you a proper explanation. See, no one wants to be a fucking third wheel, and no one wants to be someone's safe option. Safe option is that sort of option when the main thing blows up, they come to you for whatever comfort, or for like so that you could take care of them, nurturing, all that bullshit, right? So no one wants to be that. I do not want you to be that either. Okay, one more card. What are their true feelings for you? What are their true feelings for you? With King of Pentacles, this person is extremely selfish. Okay, for some of you who is financially very well off, they could choose you because you have you are very stable and you're well to do and you have it all sorted. Okay, I do not see a lot of emotions here. They might be a little selfish when it comes to considering you. Okay, one more card. How do they feel about you? How do they truly feel, and what do they truly have in their heart space for you? In their heart space, they're definitely heartbroken. They miss you. See, when we have something that is too good to be true, and we feel like we are losing it, we are always going to chase it. Unless it's always there. We might take that for granted. Right now, they are heartbroken that you are away and you're walking away, or you might choose something else. But they are not entirely wanting to look forward to it in a long term way. Okay, so I would say that they might come back, they might want some reassurance, or they might give you some reassurance, but I'm again not promising long term, because tarot cannot be promised like 5 years down the lane or 10 years down the lane. I could tell you about today, tomorrow, maybe a month, maybe 3 months, 6 months. Okay, one card for what do they have in their mind now? What do they have in their mind regarding this connection? With Justice card, they definitely want to balance this out with you. Okay, they want to find the common ground now. They do not want to fight. They want to compromise as well. Okay, but I feel this person is coming back for them and not for you. They are missing you. They feel some sort of emptiness that you are not around. They feel uneasy, and they are coming back so that they don't feel that shit again. Okay, one card for what you could expect in the next 3 days. What you could expect in the next 3 days? With Two of Wands, darling, I still see you at crossroads. Regardless if this person comes back or not, I still see you at crossroads. How do they view you now? How do they view you now? With Judgment card, they know that they'll have to make a decision on you now. Okay, they have been taking you for granted. They've been taking you for a ride for a long time, and they have decided to choose you. But let's see where things go, and how they come forward, and what you do about it. Because right now you guys are not on the same page. You do not know shit about this person. Okay, so that being said, let's move to soul mate messages. What you should be knowing about this. Okay, for some of you, they feel like they can only offer you sexually. They are not in a position to offer you any sort of long-term commitment. One more card. we'll have to delay this for some time. So the commitment part, they are not ready for that. Okay, they want to think about it in the future, but for now I still feel like they have doubts. Okay, one more card, one last card where this connection is going, Spirit. Okay, for some of you, this person in the past or the recent past could have chosen what is best for them and not like what is best for the connection. So they were very selfish. Like when it came to this connection, they chose what's best for them. See, suppose they were working some way, and for them to choose you and to be with you, they had to leave that job or leave a place or move somewhere or do something. They were not ready for it. They wanted to do what's best for them. Okay. So yes, that being said, this is your reading for the next 72 hours. If it resonated, kindly consider this as an energy exchange and hit the like button, guys. I greatly appreciate that. Every like counts. So if you could help me in some which way in terms of likes, comments, subscribes, that would really help. Also, Libra and other signs extended version will be available on the membership or on my Etsy shop. So if you are a Libra and you want to get the extended or the next 48 hours or next 72 hours, I usually post a lot on Etsy. So if you could go to my shop and if there's a new update, you could possibly purchase that. Okay, I keep it very low, like $3, $5. So yeah, thank you so much for coming in, and all those who have booked a personal reading, that is coming in very soon, and who want to book, you could go and check on my Etsy. I have very limited spots left, so if you want one, please kindly book faster. Thank you so much. Cheers.